In this video, I will show you how to turn off Safe Search in Google Chrome on an Android device. So let's jump straight into it. So to turn off Safe Search, the first thing you're going to want to do is launch the Google Chrome mobile app on your Android device. From here, just go ahead and search for something. It doesn't matter what you search for, it could be anything. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon just up here. In here, what you need to do is just scroll down slightly and you're going to see an option for Safe Search. So what you want to do is give this a press. And as you can see in here, there's an option to turn off Safe Search. So what you want to do is select off. As you can see, we're going to get a pop-up confirmation saying Safe Search is now off at the bottom. And that is how to turn off Safe Search in Google Chrome on Android. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.